Akala mo ba kapag mura ang bahay, maliit na? Sandali lang, tignan mo to. Maraming project ngayon na fully developed na. Pero ang totoo, mahal na pero masikip pa. What if makabili ka habang pre-selling pa lang, bago pa magmahal ang presyo? Dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas, may pre-selling na house and lot na mas malaki ang cut at introductory price pa lang. Ang ino-offer namin dito ay Zirina Premium Single Attached. Meron itong 80 square meters lot area, 50 square meters floor area, at meron itong 2 bedrooms at 1 toilet and bath. At complete turnover na, meron siyang tiles, ceiling, at bedroom partitions. May parking na kasya ang SUV or pick-up na sasakyan. And for the down payment, for as low as 8,435 pesos lang per month. At ang Pag-ibig financing naman is around 15,393 pesos lang per month. At kung interested ka kumuha, the reservation fee is 6,000 pesos lang. Kung employed ka at sumasahod ka ng 43,000 pesos per month or combined income ng mag-asawa, baka ito na yung bahay na hinahanap mo. Message us today and let's see kung ikaw na yung next na matutulungan namin magkabahay.